Understanding the phrase, sleeping on it, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, sleeping on it. Idioms are a crucial part of English, often adding color and depth to everyday speech. So, if you're ready to expand your English language skills, you're in the right place. The phrase, sleeping on it, refers to the idea of postponing a decision until the next day. It implies that taking a break and getting some rest can provide new perspectives or solutions. This idiom is commonly used in situations where a decision is challenging or when someone feels too overwhelmed to decide right away. Understanding where idioms come from can be as fascinating as the idioms themselves. The phrase, sleeping on it, is believed to originate from the idea that sleep helps in organizing our thoughts and processing information. This ancient wisdom suggests that a good night's sleep can lead to better decision-making. Let's look at how to use this phrase effectively. You might say, "I need to sleep on it," when faced with a tough choice. It's a polite and clear way to indicate that you're not ready to decide yet. It's important to note that this idiom is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Like many idioms, sleeping on it can have variations. Phrases like, "Let me think it over overnight," or "I'll give it some thought," convey similar meanings. It's useful to know these variations to understand and engage in diverse conversations. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, sleeping on it. Remember, idioms are a fun and essential part of learning English, adding richness to your conversations. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.